The severe symptoms of shortness of breath, coughing, and irritated eyes occurred in 40 students at a comprehensive school in Wiesbaden, Germany on May 11, 2022. These symptoms occurred in classrooms with open windows and worsened when the children left the building and waited in the schoolyard. As it was found, the symptoms were caused by dust formed from the fine, star-shaped hairs of the platanus tree. Strong winds moved the platanus leaves after a prolonged dry period, creating the dust. The weather in Wiesbaden at that time was unusual. The temperature was 29 centigrade. It was dry and wind dust reached 50 kilometers per hour. The schoolyard was enclosed and densely planted with tall old platanuses. A total of 25 children required hospitalization. Treatment included lorazepam and salbutamol. All students had normal oxygen levels and their symptoms reversed. It was Platanus Cough, not Platanus allergy, because the children did not show symptoms like a runny nose and itching in the eyes and nose. Platanus Cough does not occur every time we walk under plane trees. It depends heavily on warmth, dryness, and wind, said Andrea Elmer, an internal medicine and pulmonology specialist at Helios Clinic in Wiesbaden. Self-protection includes avoiding skin and mucous membrane contact under appropriate climatic conditions by wearing protective glasses and masks. Platanus leaves and branches should not be swept but vacuumed. Seasonal spraying of plane trees with a mixture of apple pectin and water can prevent dust formation. Specialists expect an increase in cases of Platanus Cough, particularly in cities with dense construction due to climate change. Thanks for likes and sharing.